Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to download Chrome. So using Google, type in Google Chrome download. This will be one of the first items in your Google search. You click on it, you're taken straight to the Google browser page where you can click on download Chrome. That will automatically start a Chrome download. And when it's downloaded, your computer should alert you that that's been downloaded, and you'll just need to click open and it will install for you. You can also get it on the Android Google Play Store, and you can also get it on the Apple App Store as well, so you can browse on your mobile device. So from that site as well, you can find out some information about the Google Chrome browser. And it also just highlights some of the key features as well, which for you to read about, which you might find handy. It also provides us with some features, an overview of the features, which is quite useful if you just can't remember what the key items are in the browser or what it does. Google provides some up-to-date information for us to look at, as well as the videos that we produce here. So that's just a nice, quick and easy way. If you're looking for something specific, you can either grab it from Google or you can revert back to Living Well with Technologies digital video library, depending on which is easiest for you. As you can see, the Google gives a lot of information and it's quite easy to access as well, so it's a really great resource for you. Hope that was useful. Thanks for listening.